Every time you think, I can't speak English confidently, I feel you. Because I have been there. And I still remember the time when I had to try harder. And now, it's like living the time when you feel fluent and confident. And that's what's happening with me. So, what happened? What exactly happened between these two time frames? I'll share it all in this audio lecture. So, let's start and understand how you can speak like a wow. The first one is the podcast experience. The journey starts with the input, and this is what I want you guys to remember. The input of daily life conversations. This one listening habit sets you on the right track. But how do you exactly do this? So you can get on board with podcasts that you like, and thankfully you'll find many of them on YouTube. And SoulMighty audio lectures is one of those channels. In the beginning, spend most of your time listening to podcasts, and this is my message here. Because if you spend more time listening, that is how you will be building the input, and this one habit builds the right strategy of daily speaking. Now the next one is the voice impact. And this journey continues with the output. First is input, second is output. And again, the output of daily life conversations. And a simple hack is to record your voice daily. You can easily spend 10 to 15 minutes of your time trying. Yes, I'm saying trying because the input will be weak for beginners. And I absolutely understand that because that's very normal. So you don't have to worry about it. It's obvious you will make a lot of mistakes first. But don't worry about that because the daily podcast experience will slowly improve your input. And after some time, everything that you do will make sense. You will start getting better at throwing out words confidently. In fact, a time will come when thinking too much won't be necessary for you. Wait for it. And the third step is practice with me. So finally, I have for you a speaking practice material. Here, I will try to speak out slowly. Whatever I have in my heart, I'll just speak it out for you, and you just need to repeat my conversation pieces. Okay? So you are going to practice with me and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's start. I am always trying to be a better version of myself. I am always trying to be a better version of myself. But I know a lot of challenges come in life. Sometimes you make plans. Other times you cannot work on your plans. Other times you cannot work on your plans. Maybe because some other commitments come to you. Maybe because some other unexpected commitments come to you. Maybe because some other unexpected commitments come to you. But I don't want you to lose hope here. Because where there is a strategy, there is always a road for success. Because where there is a strategy, there is always a road for success. You have to have patience in your journey. Because things don't change overnight. It may take time first. But the results have to come. And you just need to wait for it. But the point is to focus on the cause. And not the effect. So if we combine these two together, it will sound like So the point is to focus on the cause and not the effect. So the point is to focus on the cause and not the effect. And keep trying until you see changes. And keep trying until you see changes. Yes, mistakes are a normal part of your journey. Yes, mistakes are a normal part of your journey because they tell you where you need improvement. Because they tell you where you need improvement. Whoever focuses on the now and the cause will win. Whoever focuses on the cause and the now will win because they will know what to do and how to get results. Because they will know what to do and how to get results. So are you focusing on your cause? That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this audio lecture. I hope the value has been found here. I have 2 more lectures in this topic in the description waiting for you. And I also found a book that I feel can help you with fluent speaking, and I'll link it in the description box for you. Thank you so much, and let life shine bright. See you soon.